What's up, all my mothers out there? It's a after Mother's Day vlog, but it's not about mothers. What's up? How are you doing? Hope everything is fine, everything is good. God richest blessing and you all. Bless up all my subscribers from day one, the one that just come on board. You know, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up for the support. Continue to support both of my channels, Life is a Mission TV and Speak My Mind Entertainment. And please remember, when you look in the community, I repost videos of Tamika Douglas TV. You can go ahead and hit that subscription button and give her a subscription if you have not yet subscribed. Remember, I'm begging 10 subscribers a week for both channels. Life with Gabby and Chevy in the comment section pin. Please and thanks. And remember, Gabby them's Life with Gabby them cake sale the 3rd of June. You know, and them ask if you can make an order by the 28th of May, so them know how much order them have. If you're overseas, a number is there for WhatsApp or call, and you can link them on Instagram, Life with Gabby and Chevy, you know, to get the necessary details and how to send your support amount. Cake is only $2,000, and as I say, you can't get it nowhere better. It'll be a 2, 5 and 3 grand cake sale you have in Jamaica, and all they get is a bottle of water and a cake, a slice of cake, and you're getting a Malta or a red stripe with this one just for $2,000. And just believe. Remember, believe. And you know, the next thing that is surprising, you're getting free delivery Kingston, Portmore and Spanish Town. This is something you'd want to really support because they really put the effort in it to garner the support, you know, to make it attractive. So me I beg you, just support people overseas. Just link up with number when you can link up me, you know, family member, relative. If you don't have any I want to send it to, you can still send it, and you know, it go in donation to somebody that probably really want to eat a slice of cake and can't afford it. You know, just like I would have a mountain give back. You know, and you know, just support already cost. Two young miss trying their wares, you know. What better way to go? Enough of them would take it to the street and it's just man. Anyway, that's not what I come to talk about, people. I come to highlight what issue here and talk about Marcia. So, want to just do the like, share, subscribe to the channel and tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up and hit the video, and please to watch the ads. Alright? People, this is something I want to I talk about it in a recent video. Somebody brought something to my attention where these kids that Tina says she has helped 2015 who go ahead to excel to be doctor, 2 of them becomes doctor. Wow. The time frame for me, people are saying John Mills are all age. Yes, and I really remember that John Mills is not a primary, it's all age. But whether or not, the time frame don't allow these kids, based on what she said, to become doctor. All age is 9th grade. You stop at 9th grade. Right? And then you leave all age, you move on to secondary, which is high school level, where you go up to 11th grade. You understand? You have lower 6 and upper 6. So you spend like another 4 or 5 years in high school, and then you can spend up to another 2 more to make it 6 or 7 years, where you go lower 6 or upper 6. Alright, set 6 years. 6 years and 2015, it would be 2021. What time these kids leave? You understand? Secondary level education to become a doctor will take over 7 years, if no more. You understand? Where is their university degree and stuff like that? Where is it? Eh? Where is it? But they still then becomes doctor in such a short time. I don't know. But I have something here what is very questionable, people, that was brought to my attention also. I do this quick, you know. People, an invitational letter was sent to this track team, because I can't say John Mills track team, to this track team, the 23rd of October 2023. Well, you know it have to send in advance because preparation of it, because it's not a rich people school where you can just go pick up. And whether a rich people school, you know, have no control of embassy, or you have to get the visa and way, so you have to have time in advance. Put that aside. But what is puzzling me and what is my concern here is this letter, invitational letter, was not, listen again, it was not addressed to John Mills All-Age School Track Team or Track Club. This letter addressed to John Mills Track Club. John Mills Track Club. It never said John Mills Primary School Track Club or Track Team. This entity can be a private entity under the name John Mills. The address, which is 26A Retirement Crescent, is in the same era of the John Mills Primary All-Age School, right? But if them even upon the compound, which is the same address if so be the case, it though must be John Mills All-Age School. There's a lot of school who, you know, for community effort and humanitarian effort, you know, allowed you to use the facility for a worthy cause. So I am saying, see it here, this letter did not address, see there, John Mills Track Club. It never said John Mills All-Age School Track Team or Track Club. Alright? So this is my concern. The letter also states John Mills Express Track Club. Why? Remember now, you know, you have a lot of independent bodies in Jamaica where sports is concerned, where most of them say they are academies. Like how you have the Ballers Academy for football, young upcoming, you know, school, prep school ballers. You have the one that Leon Bailey come from. Where that one the name again? Where that one the name again? Phoenix Academy and stuff like that. You understand what I'm saying? You have a lot of young independent academies. So this can be an academy, but yet still you're putting it out there, Tiga, like as if it's John Mills All-Age School Track Team. This is my opinion now, you know, because I am based on how this letter address, you know. Why didn't address this invitational letter to John Mills All-Age School instead of John Mills Express Track Club? This more sound like an independent body, an independent organization, an independent academy. You understand what I said to you? So people want to try beware of what is going on. Beware of how you sending the money. We just highlight this to you again. Whether you are a supporter for Porter to Porter, or you just want to give back to a worthy cause because these kids can be the next Shelley and Fraser, Usain Bolt, whatsoever. Be careful of getting scammed of your money. This girl don't have any credibility to collect people money in no form of charity or give back. No credibility. Our past is there. Wanna remember now, our past is there. Alright? Anyway, make we get in a video now with Marcia. People catch Marcia dry wipe in her car. Roll on, lotion, all kind of sitting. This come like Marcia have flashes of eviction when she leave her road in her van. Watch out. A dry wipe, she not even a dry wipe, you know. Watch it. Come like she want to jump down at the back of the road. Watch it, watch it. The mount she spray it all about her, watch it. No sir. Lord Marcia, you dry wipe. Go home, go bathe, Marcia. Anyway, people, Marcia come out again. Foil. Because she says she run it off with the it down a country. You know who me call it already. You understand? Me did have another name for her. But, you know, I refuse, so I'm continue to call her that name until she mill around me. You understand? You don't know the regular name I'm going to call her? The land something another day? Yes. Like the T1. But I refuse, so I'm call her that name until she mill around me. So, for now, I call her the it. You know, Marcia said she see her pass her place after she run it off with her car. Basically what Marcia was saying, okay, Let's go and do it for content. You do your thing, me I do my thing. Me I give you content, you I give me content. That's what I gathered from what Marcia trying to say. But me no know. It coming like it a nurse Marcia boy. Me I tell you Marcia come out, come go on bad. And say she watch out right now, wait. Marcia talk up something. And your woman will come in a platform, come on platform, come type up about Marcia man and look smooth and Ray Marcia get mad at you too and say if you leave her man alone and go look your own man. So people, we're gonna get in another little video here. Not for too long. And there's two little things when we want to ask Marcia based on what she's saying in this video here, with which part she live. So let's go at it. Oh, people, me feel in the car, and if you not gonna hear a breeze in the background because Jamaica is really hot. You lie down in your bed if you don't have AC in your house, it comes like a firelight on your bed. So you turn the bed hot. So music did I play out the door, like a young boy I play more for bag of music. So I just come in the car, somebody have to turn on the AC. So I don't even know the quality of how that video audio go sound, but if you don't hear that breeze, you don't know say the AC turn on the little old car, you know? Yeah man, the little 32-year-old car, AC a go on man.
Yeah, I'm a 25-year-old man this.
She gonna pick up her man again and
yes.
a man.
The one and me I chat to the one at the park. Yeah, so him the 25-year-old one. Yeah, so me a cougar. I tell you. I'm a cougar.
So Mr. She a cougar, you hear her?
You know that? Yeah, one woman say and look. One woman say, look. One woman say and look soft and nice. The 25. They say and look soft.
Yeah, I know I go up in her feelings.
Yes, me see him hand in the kitchen and cook.
She go up in her feelings.
Move and take care of a man. I go get for your own. Go get for your homeless man. I left my homeless man alone. They're too fucking jealous and bright. Out in look, bow hand look soft and nice. Of course, he hand soft and look. I go look your own a fucking homeless man. Don't come chat nothing. Leave me and my homeless man alone. With him big belly up the girl where you have side of me. Yes. Out to the chat. A 25 man now look. Go look on a 25-year-old man. When I walk this Ross.
You feel proud to the man them say the man at 25 years?
No come set no 25-year-old. CJ is gonna be 25 and 23 I mean. Oh 25-year-old man. Fuck you know. Brighter out there. Them come, oh I see him hard and him hand look like a young somebody. Move your bumper clot. If you take care of him skin, they must look young and fresh like I'm Marcia too. Where you take this thing for? But look on the older man. One did they chat about a homeless man or whatever. Let me have a homeless man alone. And a homeless woman. And a refugee. Here the next thing they come up with now, baby. Me go to church. The church where me I go. A refugee house. The people like give me refugee house. Can you imagine? They must like go.
But Marcia, the people them have a right to come up with all kind of say, you know, opinion, you know, because knowing you, your history telling you now just take up yourself, go do certain little things unless you achieve from it or go gain from it. And you always try to find yourself in a space where handout is. So where the people them must say, you can't blame them for that, Marcia. You can't blame them for that. No way you can blame the people them for that.
I'm back up and go to cloth rent check for them and show them. And you don't know, see, me not prove nothing. A refugee, the church where me I go, a refugee, go Google one number and come up and say refugee house. And me never got a church there, at King's Chapel me go. And me never collect nothing from a 3 times me go to a church there and sit down on a back bench and put in my vehicle and the dinner. The last time I see dinner, me got dinner with me have a one when the pastor was there for Africa. And me stop. You understand? So how is it done? Me got church now and a name out church when me never go. What do you take this thing for? And a refugee's furniture. Me can't tell us a me blood clot Marcia. As poor as me is here, me not lie down for no bomber clot by the whole bed. Anything we are coming at my household is the only thing we are coming at my household is the furniture. Is this settee right here so. Every fucking else is brand new. The only thing is in my house that is going that when it comes to big pieces of furniture, it will be my couch. And I was going to give it away now. I'm a friend from Canada and Florida said, no, Marcia, carry your couch.
So, Marcia, You just recently I put things in the house. And you not lay down upon nobody sleep and left all bed. But yet still, when I identify that you are sleeping, seems like you are sleeping on a couch with a little headboard put on the wall. You know them time, as me say, when you got some motel, you know, or sex shop, that's how them do it. Them nail on the one headboard on the wall and just push the divan base and the mattress up against it. So it look like it's a bed. That's what I am seeing. And you lie down on your side and something where you can't turn left nor right. If you turn go forward, you're going to drop off because you know say half of it. And you claim to say, I beg you depend. I see me want to say you're not sure nothing at all. Which me know you cannot show because it's not a bed. But you say you just buy your things them and a new brand things them you buy carrying. Only thing new old is your settee that where you have in the van then know where you do that video yeah. I got all in the house. Everything else brand new. And you not sleep on all bed. So oh you say I never settee you sleep on. Oh you say you have bed. That simply means it's most of all bed you sleep on because you say you just buy bed now, you know. I buy things put in the house, you know. And when you say the house is empty, you make it look like a lie we are tell. We know the house is empty. That's why your camera could have only stay in the kitchen until you find a new spot now which part you can catch it up where we see the wall. Because you can't show around the house because the house empty. Most time we are listening to your live them or listening to your dead or your video them. You can't hear the echo in the background because your voice are echoing in the background because the place is so empty. Marcia, when you not tell lie, you have to be careful of how you not tell lie and the lie you not tell. Remember what I said before. And this is why most people lose case of court, you know. When it come on to the cross question with clerk of the court and them something than lawyer, some most people lose case of court because them come and them say one thing no, and because I lie them I tell, down the line you get the cross question to see if you're going to stick with the same statement and argument where you give. You understand? And you end up don't because you did tell lie. So down the line there's something different you talk because you were asked the question in 5-6 different ways. And if you were telling the truth from day one, you wouldn't have answered different because whatever they ask you in 5 different ways, one thing they might ask you about, them just ask you in 5 different ways. So if I saw it happen, the same answer you'd have give. So right now, we're finding us liar, you know, Marcia.
I was gonna leave it too. So big up to my friend from Canada. God bless you. Be encouragement and stick by my side. You know who you are. You say, Marcia, carry your couch. No, you can't give it everything because I was walking and leaving everything. The only me not lie down on people all bed. So, God bless girl.
So what were you lying down and when you just moved out of the place and you never put in a bed in the place? Because you never said to you.
My storage is going to be there for a long time.
Me identify says a settee, you say it's not a settee. But you know lie down on people all bed. So what were you lying down and you never moved in a bed?
Somebody forgot to help me pack out them and make it look pretty. Put down a piece of green grass in there. Just like when we there in New York City and I had the storage for over 2 years or more from up the place. I see where me I keep it. Same way. I'm not going nowhere. So I'm no hurry if I fix up no Ross place. As long as I have a roof over my head and the place is clean and roach free, I don't have a problem.
You get it roach free, and you if you keep it roach free, because you get it roach free, you know. But the same settee the way you carry, I the same one where you used to sit down in and yam in and all kind of sitting. And you know, if teenagers still living in it, all that you shouldn't be carrying to the people in place. Because that was one of your main hazard. Your main artery of these teenagers. Yes, it was one of your main artery of these teenagers. Because you used to sit down in night and heat and the crumbs and this drop in between the cushions and stuff. I mean, never yet see you tidy up. I never see you take up a cushion and dust out or take a broom and sweep out. So, probably within 3 months you put in this cushion. I'll be a teenager.
And no get on this one, no bike riding, and then they start of something there. And a nice out and made and people hang out and right they say you can't do it. No parking, no out there, get ticket. I get towed away. As long as we have a roof right there, I don't give a fuck.
Hold on. So if you live into a gated community, that you saying you live into a gated community, put away the bike riding and whatever, because you cannot talk on the outskirts of it. But when you say no parking is there, and if you park, you get towed away, you can get towed away inside a gated community? Me not understand. Or you are probably saying if them gossip up outside and park outside of the gate area or the perimeter fence. Me just wonder, you know, me I try to fix it for you. I don't know if that's what you mean. Me just try to be real here. Are you talking outside of your gated community perimeter fence? No parking is there, so if them park there and come there with them bike riding and whatever, they can be towed up. Me don't know. But it kind of puzzling still when you say that, because I don't know if you can get towed away into a gated community, because you say a gated community you live in.
I sleep on the floor. I don't take used furniture from people. If you take used furniture, I carry all my brand new one them. We'll be left for 2 years.
You
so
left?
You look don't the pussy Erica. Don't call me name of him out.
The it time now.
And you get your warning already.
Cross you know, you know.
Chat where you want chat and go on about your business.
In cross you know, people, cross you know.
You understand? I don't have to sleep and use bed. I can't walk in the store, go take out a credit and pay for little. I don't have to sleep and use bed. I don't take use.
Almost everything where you have, so you pay feed. You not buying up the cash to me understand with you. Because me hear you say, you see some dress, some nice dresses in a wide here. What's $40 and $30? And you say you pay down on a few. So you couldn't take up $100 or $120 and buy 3 of the dress them straight. You have to pay down layaway, $30, $40, and you're a big deal? Come on, man. You're supposed to be able to walk in a store where you see them just the way you like, because of your cheap things you really buy, and take up even $200 and buy some. You have to pay down layaway on some $30, $40 dresses. And you say it right there, you know? So almost everything we have, we not expect you to go buy a bed set for 10,000 cash or 5,000 cash. Because if you pay down on a $30 dress and $40 dress, what to expect?
And then people there, I listen to you and I drag people down and I drag people down and I drag people down. Shut your fucking mouth and stop it.
Yes, so no people, listen.
Stop coming on social media and drag down people who are really fucking better than you. It's just simple as that. Shut the fuck up. You get cut up on the fucking nerve now. I try to work with you, but I realize you're getting more and more fucking disrespectful.
Yeah, she said she's trying to work with her, but she's getting disrespectful. So she were willing to, you know, go head to head for the content. You know, she getting content and the next person getting content. But the person is getting too much now. Wow.
That is the problem with you. Can you go on like the people in a bomb clap punk around here? You're lucky say God in me. You're too fucking out of order. You come on social media, drag down people like you think say, America, me love America, me not go nowhere. Me not give up America for Jamaica. I'm going nowhere.
You're not wrong, yo.
It's just simple as that.
What if I free this guy America, yeah? Nothing in the yard, yeah.
You tell me something what? My sister just come from North Carolina and I was speaking to her a while ago. Big up my sister and graduate in June. And she alone left in the house right now after June the 9th. Her Victoria got college and she got boarding. Jonathan boarding at college. So what me not know who now fucking talk to. Me can't come out of some fucking apartment and go live with my sister. Anytime.
God bless the man that has his own.
My sister have 3-bedroom house. She alone live. The other one have 4. 2 of them live.
What if your sister there think this like a you? You could have come talk about your sister's house now.
My sister in Pennsylvania have extra room. You're the fucking out of order with yourself. Look how long with the America, I'm in the system and the welfare. And all of a sudden, no.
Nobody knows.
Be church refuge. We look like a bomber car refuge to you. We can't be a refuge and be a blood clot American passport and live in a country for 40 years. Are you fucking crazy? Motherfucker.
What you have to show?
A black boss something else.
You're proud of that, but what you have to show?
You're too out father.
What is it you have to show?
You and your bumper clad, non-relevant, bitch ass, jealous, fucking.
You know, since a woman have the same type of passport like you, reach a 99 what day.
Take a look at me and take a look at you. And I'm way older than you. Me look like somebody where I walk and sell pussy.
Yeah, me agree with you still, because by numbers, you know, we're older than that individual where you're talking about. You're not way older. You're probably just 1 year older. Oh, probably the 63 you're talking about. So if somebody the case, really a 13-year-older still. So that's a far way for you. Sorry. Forgot to say you're not 51. Forgot to say you're 63.
Huh? Oh, Tavada. Of course, me know so she come up, of course. Me, I don't care. Me look like somebody care. She can't say nothing to do nothing to me. Which she can't always cost me, just make sure say anybody ever see me and my friend and put up a picture, make sure she get the fucking warning. That's all. She get the warning already.
And that's your concern. And what's about the money where you don't want
she
him to
can't
go?
cost me. Maybe go back and forth with her. And me and her on social media. As long as she keep up my private business and I try to take picture, we put out on social media. That is it. That is it. She can't go on with her fuckery. And go on with anything where she want to go on with. That have nothing. Yes, me go on play the make she go on with her fuckery. Yeah, make she go on.
Yeah, because you want content, you know, you need money, you know. And although you say you're a superstar and you're a content creator and you're all kind of sitting, it not work for you. So if you can get a little, what I call it now, conflict between you and somebody who can go back and forth, it would have probably do better for you. Not great, but better for you.
Now make a turn up so. Make she go on with her frickery. Go on with her frickery and go on. Me not have the problem. Me not have the problem go back and forth with her.
You have problem, man.
Every bad publicity is a good one. Make she go on.
You having problem.
Dash my shit. As long as she come out, as long as she don't want to come trouble people business with this refugee business, but me put out number. Me put out no last number. I say anybody want any information to get any free help in America, they call 211 and 411. And you know about you.
You see me telling you people every day, me telling you this woman that coming like she go about and search and question about every freeness in America. Oh, you can't get it. And this is why I said the woman that come at 99 should have contact you first. Because you know how to get help from every source in America.
You make your people go dig up, go call, and through me tell you say there's organization out there. Take it and bring it in a negative way. That is what I am here for. I am here to help my sisters and brothers them who need help. If I know of information that people tell me, because people hear me talk, complain about my friends to them, and you know.
So why you know a DR2 on your platform where you're open to those type of people where them can call in and talk to you about that?
America don't run like that. You have to go through process. You think I saw, I wonder if I want to street is. You think I saw money and get help? You have to check. They want to know that people who are getting need help. They want proof. Nobody can just go get welfare like that. They want bank account. They want to know what kind of car you drive, what kind of truck. If you get child support, if you get alimony, they want to know that those money is add up.
Yeah, Marcia, but at the same time, there is other way out there where some form of free money giveaway where you know about. Away from the quote-unquote welfare money, there's a whole heap of other way. You come on your platform and talk about these different apps that give you privilege to get X, Y, Z. You come and say that. So, what you talk about? It not must be the quote-unquote welfare money.
Pay your bills so them have to do it. It's not easy. So they make the money just run up on social media and come talk things without knowing the facts. So let me tell you the facts. Those are some of the criteria that you have to meet.
Some of.
They ask all those questions. They want to know if you have no bonds out there, any saving account, any CDs put away. They want to know all of that. These people coming up here and them just talking about welfare like it is a welfare easy to get. If welfare easy to get, a lot of people are not struggling. If welfare is easy to get, we're in our nice apartment right now. You make me all a pass.
So the sun come through the windscreen for my people. I'm like I'll be yesterday.
You understand?
Direct at me the sun then right over my windscreen. So my bright up like stadium bulb.
That's I like this one. It looks like an England.
So you fall in love with people place. Suppose people not ambitious like you, see so much pretty place and pretty window for you look upon. Also you could have pretty house the people you look upon too.
And them need refuge. Refuge.
So you admire the people them pretty house and windows.
And them thinking parasite mouth. And
so house nice.
They run themselves for the blood clot doctor just like you. If your pussy done. It's only conga worm and powder that left you drop out of that ras. And you need refuge. You need to baptize yourself in one bucket of holy water. Right out of order. I don't have no respect for you. Me not run joke with you and then guani until me see you this the bomber club program. I was working with you and I say okay, but all of a sudden I get fucking hype. And I diss the program. You soon come back, people.
No sir. No sir. I wonder if they rock the connect. If you don't hear anything on the rock the connect, can you tell me here? But the rock the fling, hey, I want rotted stone that show, you know. Anyway, I speak my mind, people. This video was just all about exposing T-Girl. But I could not just do this video that little 10 minutes or 5 minutes alone. So I just add this to it. You know, sometimes you have to just get creative. You know, that's why them say we name content creator. So I don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up and hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. Continue to support both of my channels. Life is a Mission TV. I want to know. Speak My Mind Entertainment. Tamika Douglas TV in the community. And down here, so, like Fit Gabby and Chevy. Support, support, support. Give them the subscription. Bless upon yourself. I'm out. Son, kill me.